this is AJ Macdonald with Macdonald Financial Services. I have Devin Jones here in the office, and today we're going to talk to you about the importance of selecting a financial advisor and maybe some of the questions that you might want to ask them before you decide to trust them with your life savings. Maybe the first question is, have they been in prison recently?
Yeah, well, we've seen it, we've heard it. It seems like just yesterday, 2009-8, during that period of time rolled around. But we had a fella just down the hall that ended up going to prison after he ran a little scheme that a lot of people got hurt real bad with. So anyway, yeah, that's certainly one of them that we don't ever want to interview somebody and the first question they answer yes to is, have you been in prison? So, here at our office, when, we're interviewed periodically by folks, and, it seems like one of the first questions I'm always asked is, how long you been in the industry? So, that's important. Some people don't understand kind of what a fiduciary is versus, commissionable type setup. So there's certain things that you should ask, and certainly, hopefully, we've got a lot of the right answers for you. So.
Yep, that's exactly right. I think, somebody who's maybe new to the business, maybe hasn't seen the market cycle where the markets, we like to see them go up. We don't really like to see them go down, but it does happen.
It does.
So, making sure that they have some experience. One of the things that we see a lot is existing clients of ours make referrals, which we greatly appreciate. Certainly really like the trust that our clients put in us to make those referrals. So getting a little background, we have quite a few Google reviews that people have said really nice things about us, that we have clients that have worked with us for 20 plus years. So trying to get, a personal referral from somebody you trust is always a good idea.
Yeah. One of the things that folks will ask me is, can I have more than one advisor? And yeah, you can have more than one of us. We're not like spouses. You can have more than one of us.
Yeah,
so that's one thing. Yes, you can. And so again, we get that asked often, and once in a while it actually does happen where folks will have more than one of us. So,
well, in parts of Utah, sometimes people have more than one spouse too.
This is true. Good point.
But to me, having more than one financial advisor can complicate things. There could be overlap. You could have your portfolios might have higher risk because one of the advisors might not know what the other advisor is investing in. To me, I think a little bit like football. Well, how many quarterbacks do you have?
Right.
Well, you got one on each team. You don't have two playing at the same time. And that, to me, is a little bit why the importance of having one trusted advisor. And the old saying of don't have all your eggs in one basket, I don't think they were talking about advisors. I think they were talking about one particular asset class.
Right.
You sure don't want to have all your money in Tesla stock.
No.
Which, of course, none of our clients do. But having a nice diversified portfolio and having one person or one team know where all the investments are, I think is critically important.
Yeah, good point. And that's one thing that we try to do here is balance out that risk. So, yeah.
Exactly. If you have any other questions about interviewing advisors, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.